Meet Melissa Naimuli. You might wonder, who the hell is this? Well, this is Miss Universe South Africa. And I know what you're thinking. Is she South African born? Is she a South African citizen? What is that surname? What language does she speak? And more questions is, what is the difference between Miss Universe South Africa, Miss World? What are the difference between these pageants? I had to actually find out. Well, Miss Universe is the international pageant where a single winner represents the entire world. They represent to which universe? Okay, I'm not going to get technical, but anyways, while Miss Universe South Africa is the title for the woman who wins the national pageant in South Africa and may represent her country at Miss Universe. But now, what's the difference between Miss World and Miss Universe? Well, the main difference is their focus. Miss World emphasizes philanthropy and humanitarian with its beauty with a purpose mission, while Miss Universe focuses on empowering women through confidence and individuality. Now that we are sure which pageant she won, because nowadays I don't even think they run this thing on TV. Do they run this thing on TV? Another pageant I forgot about is Miss South Africa, because Miss South Africa straight, like, you know about Chedima? Yes, that was Miss South Africa. That's for just South Africa. I forgot to Google that. You gotta have to find out what it really means, what's the difference. But that one is a bit standard because we grew up watching that one. Miss South Africa usually is someone who does the philanthropy, humanitarian, but here in South Africa, also beauty with purpose, you know what it is. And then also, you know, she's beautiful for the rest of us, you know, that kind of thing. But anyways, back to Melissa Naimuli, who is a 21-year-old South African model, film and television producer, has been crowned Miss Universe South Africa. Born and raised in Butterworth in the Eastern Cape, Naimuli grew up with her Xhosa mother and Ugandan father. Yeah, I know. People who dislike illegal immigrants, foreigners and all of that will start talking, why do we have Miss Universe who has a Ugandan father? I mean, come on. Now, are we getting into that point now? Because we know where this leads. We all know where this leads, because now, if we check this Xhosa girl, because she is a Xhosa girl, half Xhosa, half Ugandan, right? So if we go for people who are born here in South Africa, now we have to go back to the whole thing. Who's Tswana? Who's Sotho? Who's Tsonga? Who's Venda? Where do these people come from? Oh, well, the Zulu